Struggling to change that client subheading in Namecheap? I'll show you exactly where to click so you can customize it in under a minute. We'll start by opening your site in the editor, then navigate to the client section and edit the subheading text in just a few clicks. First, open your site in the Namecheap website builder. You'll want to make sure you're logged into your account. Then head over to the editor for the specific website you're working on. This is the main dashboard where you can see all your pages and sections laid out. If you've already got it open, you're ahead of the game. Now, locate and click on the Clients section. It should be somewhere on your page, probably toward the bottom half if you're using a standard template. And here's the thing, you might see it listed as a separate block in your page layout on the left side, or you might just see it directly on the preview of your site. Either way, just click on it to select it. This tells the editor, hey, this is the part I want to work on. Next, click directly on the subheading text you want to change. And I want to be really clear here. We're not clicking on the main heading that says Clients. We're clicking on that smaller line of text underneath it, the one that probably reads something generic like, quote, "We are proud to work with," end quote. Just click right on that text and you'll see a cursor appear, ready for you to type. Now you can type your new subheading. This is where you get to make it your own. Maybe you want to say something like, "Trusted by industry leaders," or "Brands we've partnered with," whatever fits your brand voice. Just go ahead and delete the old text and type in your new message. You can also adjust the formatting if you want, but the main thing here is just getting your words in place. After editing, click Continue to save your changes. You'll see a button somewhere on the screen, maybe at the bottom or in a pop-up panel. Just give it a click and the editor will lock in that new text for you. Finally, save your work and preview the updated page. Before you call it done, take a moment to preview what the site looks like. Make sure the new subheading sits well with the rest of your design. Check that it's spelled right and that it flows naturally. This is your chance to catch any little issues before they go live. Once satisfied, publish your site to make the change live. Hit that publish button and your new subheading is out there for the world to see. And just like that, you've gone from a generic placeholder to a customized section that actually represents your business. I hope this walkthrough helped you out. If you found it useful, consider giving it a like or subscribing for more Namecheap tips. Thanks for watching.